That's my applause for the gas prices moving in the right direction, Mitch. A little cheaper by a few pennies. Adding to the pain at the pump, some gas stations have increased how much the hold charge on your debit or credit cards is when you fill up. Dre Clark is joining us live now to tell us how this could cause some customers to freak out and, even worse, face fees they couldn't have predicted. Dre?
Yeah, good morning, Adrienne. It's already happening with more and more people paying those overdraft fees, and it's catching them by surprise. When gas prices first started soaring higher, gas station owners increased the hold amount on your credit or debit card. That may not sound like a big deal, but if you don't have the money to cover that hold, it's going to cost you more in the end.
It's no consumer secret that gas stations place a pre-authorization hold amount on your credit or debit card when you pay at the pump. For example, the gas station may place a $100 hold on your card, even if you're only buying $50 worth of gas. The hold is to ensure you have the funds available to cover the cost. It could take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days for the hold to be released.
Everything's going up and we're not getting more money coming in.
As gas prices have gone up, so have the holding fees. Visa and MasterCard are now allowing gas stations to place holds of up to $175 on their cards. In a recent article about the high holds, Jeff Leonard with the Association for Convenience and Fuel Retail told the Wall Street Journal, when you set a hold that is a high number, it increases the likelihood that a consumer will overdraft because of the hold. And with overdrafts usually comes hefty fees. A credit union in Kansas reminding its customers to always select credit at the pump, claiming it will only place a $1 authorization amount against your card. Retail giant Kroger has raised its temporary hold on debit cards from $125 to $150 at all of its gas stations. Also, rental car companies and hotels are doing the same thing. The higher hold costs are a reflection of the country's lackluster economy, with record high inflation and no signs of a turnaround anytime soon. It's part of the nation's new normal.
Okay, so here's the deal. Here's how you can avoid, at least according to experts, how you can avoid paying those higher hold costs. Option number one, just go ahead and pay cash when you're at the gas station. Option number two, they say, go inside the gas station, let the clerk know the exact amount of money you want to put inside your tank. If it's 20 bucks, they will charge you $20, and that will eliminate the holding costs. But this is becoming a real problem because it's catching people by surprise when they get that overcharge fee. They're thinking, what exactly happened here? But it's because the gas station owners have increased the rates there and not informing the customer, and it's really angering a lot of people. Adrienne?
Yeah, obviously hurting a lot of people who are living paycheck to paycheck. Thank you so much, Dre. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.